Good morning, children. How are you all? This is Juliet ma'am connecting from my home. I hope you all are doing well. Have you purchased the textbooks and copies? Okay, so let us start our new lesson, The Mystery of the Haunted House. Children, you must have heard plenty of ghost stories, isn't it? Do these stories make you feel scared? I'll tell the story in brief. The story is about Raja's family visit to his father's ancestral house in Nandi. Nandi is a beautiful place surrounded by hills, valleys, rivers, lakes, and plenty of fruits grow there. Raja and his younger brother Ajay was so excited to go to Nandi, but his younger sister Lily was not so happy. Why she was not happy? Because she heard lot of stories. The people of that locality, they used to talk about this ancestral home. It was a haunted house and nobody stayed there. It was locked up. An old caretaker looked after it. Their school closed for summer vacations and they started their journey to Nandi. They all went by an old bus. They had to pass through a dense forest, and on both sides were tall trees. They crossed the forest through several hairpin bends. Raja was enjoying the scenic beauty. He was so excited to visit the house. The bus crossed the bridge and stopped. Finally, they reached their destination. They got off the bus with their luggage. The caretaker greeted them and the laborers carried the luggage. The caretaker's son, almost of the same age as Raja, had also come with him. His name was Gopal. He was very friendly with them. Raja was getting impatient to see the ghost. Gopal told Raja about the ghost over there. Many people have seen it. The ghost appears in the night holding a lamp in hand. Gopal was staying with his family in a small outhouse within the compound. Ancestral house, though big, it is old fashioned without no electricity. There are no fans, no bright light. They have to manage with petrol max lanterns. One day, Gopal overheard Raja's parents plan to visit their relative's house. So Gopal brought the lantern and these two boys went upstairs to see the ghost. Raja walked with the lantern. He opened the doors of the room. When they entered the room, someone too entered the other room with lantern. By seeing it, Gopal cried and started to run. Raja also was frightened. Was it the ghost with the lamp? Both of them holded their hands tightly. Raja dragged Gopal to the other room. Look, there is your ghost. Actually, what has happened is mirror on the wall reflected the images and the light from the lantern showed bright on the wall. The two burst into laughter. Finally, Gopal understood the mystery behind the ghost and the strange light in the other room. So, was there any ghost? No, it was their image. It was their images that reflected on the mirror. So, there is no ghost, nothing. Isn't it? I hope you all enjoyed the story. Children, you have to go through the lesson thoroughly. You have to read the lesson at least 5 times and find out the difficult words and learn the spellings. First, you have to spell the word, and after learning, you have to write in a rough copy and practice it. In the next class, I will give you the question answer. Till then, take care. Bye.